So now again we'll implement a class to create a class of complex numbers, and we'll implement addition of complex numbers, right, subtraction and the multiplication. So for this, what I will do, I'll create new Xcode playground file which is with blank one, and then I will write a name as complex numbers, then I'll save it over here also. Fine. So let me create one class complex, right? So what properties this class will have? Real part, imaginary part. So we'll be creating var real of type integer, var imaginary of type integer again, right? We need to add initializers. Real is equal to 0, imaginary is equal to 0. Fine. Also we'll add another initializer for real colon integer comma imaginary colon integer. Fine. Self dot real is equal to real. Self dot imaginary is equal to imaginary. This is the initializer. You can have again copy initializer that will have obj of type complex self dot real is equal to obj dot real self dot imaginary is equal to obj dot imaginary. Fine. Also we need display method for this to display the result. Do we need to add parameters to the display? No, not right now. Printf print it with like this. We need bracket, then value of real part plus value of imaginary part, then I, and then bracket complete. Fine. So we'll be having this display over here. Now let's create one object over here for complex number, that is C1 is equal to complex with real and int 10 20, where C2 is equal to complex of type 10 and 5. Fine. We will be having these two complex numbers. So we will be adding another method to add two complex numbers. So when you create those complex numbers, we can use a display method. C1 dot display will display the C1, and C2 dot display will display the C2. So see. So here we need to add first addition of two numbers. So we are getting self as 1 over here, which we are calling from, right? And another complex number will get as object C. colon complex. It will have a return type. Yes, it will have. We need to return the complex number which we have created over here, newly created. Let's see one result is equal to complex. We'll initialize the result, then result dot real is equal to c dot real plus self dot real. Result dot imaginary is equal to c dot imaginary plus self dot imaginary, and we'll return the result. Fine. So see, here we need to create C3.
So we can write real also. Not need to write
For
so we can write real also.
real also.
Yeah, only real, not self or
Yes, yes, you can write it. So C1 dot addition complex number C2. So we'll be passing C2 over here. So C2 and C1 will give you the addition inside C3. So C3 dot display will give you the actual result of addition. So let's see what result we'll get.
so we can't overwrite operator.
No. See. What up? Yes. Addition.
Underscore में कोई ऐड नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, we have seen that inside at the time of functions that you can write underscore over here, and then you will get, you don't need to put this C every time inside parameters. But we are not using it right now. We are just passing the variable which we pass and which will go to this C.
Otherwise we have to write C dot
C colon
C2.
C colon C2. Right, it's not running at this moment. Something went wrong with the Xcode again, right? So clear. So we can write a complex number. Now you should write subtraction as well as multiplication, right? So we have done with the multiplication as well at the time of C, right? Okay, fine.